nutritious and healthy smoothie in just 5 minutes. That's right, you heard me correctly. No more excuses about not having time for breakfast or a nutritious lunch. We're going to blitz through some simple smoothie recipes that will have you feeling energized and ready to tackle the day. These aren't your average bland smoothies either. We're talking flavor explosions, vibrant colors, and textures that will make you think you've died and gone to smoothie heaven. Forget that greasy spoon breakfast or those soggy sandwiches. These smoothies are packed with nutrients, vitamins, and enough flavor to knock your socks off. Get ready to learn some simple tricks and techniques that will turn you into a smoothie ninja. We'll be throwing in handfuls of fresh fruits, vegetables, and all sorts of secret ingredients that will transform your blender from a dust collector into your new best friend. Stay tuned, because things are about to get delicious. We all know that life can get hectic. You're rushing out the door, juggling a million things, and the last thing on your mind is whipping up a healthy meal. That's where these smoothies come in. They're the perfect solution for those mornings when you'd rather sleep in for an extra 5 minutes, or those evenings when you're too tired to even think about cooking. No more excuses for grabbing those processed, sugar-laden disasters from the supermarket. We're going to show you how to take control of your health one delicious smoothie at a time. First up, we've got the green machine. This bad boy is packed with spinach, banana, mango, and a squeeze of lime. Don't you dare turn your nose up at the spinach. You won't even taste it, I promise. Next, we're spicing things up with the tropical fire. Think pineapple, coconut milk, ginger, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a kick. This one's perfect for those hot summer days when you need a little refreshment. Now, for all you chocolate lovers out there, we've got the chocolate peanut butter bomb. This beauty combines the goodness of almond milk, banana, cocoa powder, peanut butter, and a touch of honey for sweetness. It's basically a dessert that's actually good for you. Look at that vibrant green. The green machine is so packed with spinach and mango, you'll practically taste the vitamins. And the tropical fire, that's not just a smoothie, it's a vacation in a glass. And don't even get me started on the chocolate peanut butter bomb. Look at that creamy texture, it's like a milkshake but a million times better for you. These smoothies aren't just good for you, they're a bloody feast for the eyes. You'll be snapping photos of these beauties before you even take your first sip. Like and subscribe, you hungry monsters. Thank you for watching.